Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making homemade nail glue. I began with some nail prep. The polish remover removes excess oils from my natural nails. So I use this nail file buffer thing to buff my nails to help the false nail stick on better. Then wipe the nails down again. And now we are going to start making the nail glue. The things you'll be needing are any dish, something to mix with, I use nail tools, some polish. I tested 3 different types, a base coat, regular polish and a nail hardening polish, and only one of these worked, so stay tuned for that. Some PVA glue and false nails. Begin by adding some glue to your dish. And then adding the same amount of polish in a 1:1 ratio. I switched out the regular polish for a thinner one because the other one was too thick. That's why the top one wasn't purple, because it was a different colour. Then mix them. The clear one will turn milky because of the air bubbles. You can use any PVA glue, to be honest, it doesn't have to be clear. Also guys, let me know any video ideas that you may have and want to see. Now I am applying a generous amount of glue onto each false nail and then applying this to my natural nail. Press down firmly and wait 20 minutes to make sure that they fully dry. If some leaks out, you can just wipe that away easily. So on my pinky finger I use the base coat. For my ring I use a nail hardening polish, and then for my middle finger I use regular nail polish. Also hold them in place for about 1 minute to make sure that it will properly stick. And if you want them to really last long, file the inside of the false nail. This is after 20 minutes. You can see some leakage, but you should remove this before the nail dries. Now I am putting pressure to see the strength of the nails. Bruh, that was easy. As you can see, the regular polish is pretty weak. And the base coat one fell off too. Hey! As you can see, the nail hardening polish was the strongest. And it lasted all day before I yanked it off. So yeah. If you want to buy it, this is the one I used. That's a wrap for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with your friends and family. And thank you for almost 1,000 subs guys. Appreciate it so much. Bye!